Okay, this is 2.4a of algebra. So if I have an equation, like the one given here, 5x plus 2 equals 2x plus 14. So I have an equation that has x's on both sides. I need to move the x's to one of the sides, and the other side I need to put the numbers on. So if you want to work with more positive numbers, whatever are the bigger numbers, so that I have 5x and 2x, 5x is bigger, make that side your x side, or your variable side. So I need to get the x's over to the left, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I get 3x plus 2 equals 14. I'm trying to get the numbers to the right, so I need to get rid of this 2 on the left. So I'm going to subtract 2, which gives me 3x equals 12. Now I'll divide by 3, and I get x equals 4. Let's try one more of those. I have 7k plus 2 equals 4k minus 10. So 7k is bigger, so I'm going to make this my k side, this my numbers side. So I'll subtract 4k from both sides. This gives me 3k plus 2 equals negative 10. So I subtract 2 from both sides because I need to get my numbers to the right. I get 3k equals negative 12. Divide by 3, and I get k equals negative 4. It's not, you wouldn't get the wrong answer if you chose to put your k's on the right and your numbers on the left. You're just going to work with more negative numbers. Here's a story problem for us. It takes a graphic designer 1.5 hours to make one page of a website. So if he makes one page, it takes him 1.5 hours. If he makes 2, it takes him 3 hours. If he makes 3, it takes him 4.5. So we're multiplying. We multiply how long it takes times the number of pages. So that gives me 1.5p. And it says that using new software, the designer could complete each page in 1.25 or 1.25 hours, but it takes 8 hours to learn the software. So again, we have how much it takes per page, 1.25, and I stick that with p, but it also takes just starting up 8 hours to learn the software. So I need to add 8. And now I can solve. Subtract 1.2p, 1.25p. And I'm making the left side my p's and the right side my numbers. That gives me 0.25p equals 8. And when I divide by 0.25, I get p equals 32. So let's try another story problem. Oh, it takes 32 pages for them to be equal. So the old software and the new software, if we do 32 pages with each of them, it's going to take exactly the same time. So for the new one to be quicker, we need to do 33 pages, and then it'll be quicker. Okay, we're going to use that same idea with old equals new in this one. An office manager spent $650 on a new energy-saving copier that will reduce the monthly electric bill for the office from $112 to $88. So the old was $112, and the new one is $88 per month. So the old method, they just paid $112 per month. The new one, they paid for that copier and they pay $88 per month. So 88M plus $650. I'm going to make the left side my M's and the right side my numbers. So I subtract 88M, which gives me 24M equals 650. And then I divide both sides by 24. Oh, that's bad. Sorry, we're getting a little sideways here. Divide by 24. And 650 divided by 24 gives me 27.08. So about 27 months. And when we would start saving money then would be in the 28th month. The 28th month is going to cost us less. And if we want to, we can check that. So old, I pay $112 per month, and if I'm paying $28 per month, or if I'm doing 28 months, sorry, that gives me $3,136. So it cost me $3,136. The new one, I need to do 88 times 28 plus 650. 88 times 28 gives me 2,464 plus 650, which gives me 3,114. So you can see that it's cheaper to do the new method. And as I go on, I'm going to save even more and more money. And there's your homework.